Hi friends, my name is Julie and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to use punch needle. I love this little amazing tool for the fiber art, and my favorite brand is Oxford punch needle, and I use number 10. It's very easy to use, it's ergonomic, it sits very comfortable in your hand. And now you can grab your favorite yarn and let's get started. First we need to thread the needle, and it's very easy to make. You just go with your yarn through the hole and push it all the way down so it will sit very snug inside the punch needle, and it's ready to use. This feels ridiculously satisfying when the punch needle goes through the fabric and makes this little adorable loop. And this sound and this motion, everything about it feels so good and honestly like a meditation. And the best thing about it, if you just made a mistake or you don't like the color, with one little motion, everything goes back to zero. And with punch needle you can get also another texture that is not 3D and looks more like embroidery. And when you're doing the project you can choose which one you like the best, or you can combine both of them. And once again, as easy as that, it all comes back to the starting point. Here I was using different shades of green to create moss texture, and I really love the results. It looks pretty much like the real moss from the forests. And if you like yarn, if you like combining different colors, you can easily create very cool artwork for your own interior or as a present for your friend. It's really nice, it feels really satisfying, and I'm sure you will be glad when you see the results. I really hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more creative content, and have a nice day guys. Bye!